Tony, are you cheating on the test? Give me that cheat sheet.
Oh, man.
If I catch you cheating again, you'll fail this test.
Tony, you can use my cheat sheet.
Oh, thanks. Wait, this is just scribbles.
No, you just have to stretch it.
Stretch it? Okay. Whoa, I can see all the formulas now. This is awesome. Thanks, Joyce.
No problem.
Huh? Who did this? Tony, I knew it was you. Give me your test.
It wasn't me. Oh, Miss Amy. No, Professor Amy, I need this. Please.
No, you knew you were supposed to memorize the formulas.
Oh, I'm gonna fail now.
What is that?
This? Oh, it's just a bracelet, Professor Amy.
Let me see. It is a nice bracelet. You can sit down.
Thank you, Miss Amy.
Oh, the graph was slow.
Joyce, I thought you said it was just a bracelet.
Oh, it's also a ruler, Professor. Look.
Oh, wow, that bracelet is so useful.
Oh, thanks, Professor.
You're welcome.
Miss Amy's never gonna know I'm cheating.
Tony, what do you think you're doing?
Checking the cosine.
Can you explain this?
How'd that get there?
Here, I'll be taking this.
How am I supposed to do my test?
Luckily, I wrote all of my formulas on the lid so Professor Amy won't see it.
Joyce, are you cheating too?
No, of course not, Professor. Look, there's no cheat sheet here.
You're such a good student, Joyce.
Thanks, Professor.
Professor, I'm not cheating anymore. Joyce, that's gross.
Joyce, are you alright? Are you sick?
No, I'm okay. It's just allergies. Plus, I have tissues with me.
Okay, if you say so.
She'd never suspect this. I wrote all of my formulas on a tissue.
Huh? Miss Amy! Miss Amy! Miss Amy! Joyce is cheating! Look!
What are you talking about, Tony? I was just blowing my nose.
She's just blowing her nose, Tony. Why don't you focus on your work?
Aw, Joyce always gets away with cheating. Joyce, I have a brilliant idea. Watch this. I made a cheat sheet so we can ace the test.
Huh?
Watch this.
Okay.
First, I'll stick it on Miss Amy's chair. Now when she sits down, it's gonna stick to her back.
Hey, sorry I'm late. I had to print out the test. Here you go.
Thank you.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Joyce, watch.
Go ahead, you can start your test.
Oh yes, it stuck to her back. Miss Amy, Miss Amy.
Huh? What is it, Tony? Did you need something?
You said we had homework or something, right?
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me.
Yeah, no problem. See, Joyce, I told you it worked. Look.
You're a genius, Tony. She has no idea.
Yeah, hurry up.
Okay.
Joyce, are you ready for the test?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna pass with this handy tool. I just need to slide the fake hand into my sleeve, then put my arm under my desk with my phone.
That looks weird.
Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Huh? Joyce, what's wrong with your arm?
Oh, nothing, Professor. My hand's perfectly fine. Look.
Huh? Are you sure? Joyce, what's the meaning of this? This is a second right arm.
Oh, got you, Professor. You fell for my prank.
That's not funny, Joyce, especially on a test day.
Sorry, Professor.
Here's your test. Tony, we're in the middle of a test. Your desk should be clear.
But Professor, what if my pencil breaks?
Fine, but I'll be watching you.
She would never suspect a pencil shaving cheat sheet.
Hey, Tony, what are you doing over there?
Huh? Nothing. I'm just doing my test.
Really? All right. You better not be cheating.
I'm not, Professor. Huh? Oh man, I can't read it anymore. Oh, what am I gonna do?
Nice try, Joyce, but I'll be keeping this. Now go sit down.
Oh, man.
Here's your test.
Thanks.
Let me see your water bottle.
Here you go.
I'm glad you're not cheating, Tony.
Yeah, of course, I would never do that.
Here's your test.
All right, thank you. Mr. Amy didn't know I hid it under the cap.
Tony, your essay is supposed to be 2,000 words. You're missing 25.
Are you serious? I don't know what else to write about.
Fix it by the end of class. You have 5 minutes.
5 minutes? How am I supposed to increase my words? Oh, I know what to do. First, I'll type the number of words that I need. Next, highlight all the words I just typed, and then turn them white. Perfect! Now my word count is 2,000. Oh, nice. Miss Amy, I resubmitted it. Can we check?
Wow, good job, Tony. Class dismissed.
All right.
Hi everyone! Did you like our midterm cheating hacks? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!